In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download free music from YouTube. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Now, as a YouTube creator, you actually have a lot of access to a free music library. To access this, begin by clicking on your profile icon up in the top right and select YouTube Studio. It's going to open up a page that looks like this, and from this section, find this left-hand option, and what you're going to want to do is actually find the audio library by first selecting Creator Music. Now from here, you're going to have a bunch of different options. You could go ahead and browse as well as filter by specific genres, moods, or even choose whether attribution is required. Or you could search for specific songs if you'd like to do so. I recommend just staying on this home section and selecting view free tracks so you don't have to pay for any of these ever, and just hit play whenever you're ready to start listening to one of them. And whenever you find one that you like, you just have to hit this little download button. On top of that, you could also add this track to your specific library if you want to reuse it in the future and don't have to worry about searching it up. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. This is going to be free, safe music straight from YouTube's own library, and you're not going to have to worry about copyright at all. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.